Hello lovely people, today I'm gonna show you a very popular French potato dish, Gratin Dauphinois. The recipe comes from the southeast region of France and always makes its way to French restaurant plates as a delicious side dish. This is a very simple sliced potato preparation baked in milk and cream, but so tasteful. I'm not gonna do a classic version of the recipe. It's a cheap one which bakes very quick and very tasty. Let's see the ingredients first. The ingredients list starts with potatoes, of course. Here I have some Maurice Pipers today. I have some double cream, some Parmesan cheese, some salt, black pepper powder. I have some sliced onions here. We need a little bit of nutmeg. I have a couple of garlic cloves, which you can take less or more, and a bay leaf. Let me make some space over here. We need to peel all the potatoes, which I'm sure everyone knows, and there is no need to videotape that. So I'm gonna go to the next step, which is slicing the potatoes. And I'm gonna use a food processor because it makes the work very easy, close to minimum. So I'm gonna put one by one all my potatoes and the machine will do the job for me like this. Plus it will give you all similar sized cuts. Who doesn't want that? And the job's done. Oh, and there is no need to wash the potatoes. You can skip that. I'm gonna move to the stove now. So all potato slices goes in. There you go. Oh, apart from this one, but it has to go to the pot. And now I'm gonna gradually add rest of the ingredients, starting with onion slices, followed by double cream, every single drop should go in. I hate wastage. Now let's season the dish up with some salt and some black pepper powder. Now I'm gonna move these and add the spices. Bay leaf, which has a strong flavor, but the most empowering flavor probably is garlic in this dish. At least that's what I found it. Okay, have some crushed garlic. There you go. And now just a little bit of nutmeg. You don't need much, just a touch. I almost forgot, but we need some grated Parmesan. Not much, just a little bit. You probably can hear my kettle running in the background, because we need some hot water for the boiling. So, no, we need a little bit of more hot water actually. There you go. I'm gonna give it a good stir just to combine everything, and then we need to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to boil, I'm gonna give it another stir just to mix everything, and then I'm gonna turn down the heat to low, and we are gonna cook it for another 6 minutes, but this time with the lid on. So see you in 6 minutes time, which for me goes like this. The cooking part is done, and I have a bad habit of stirring again and again. Now we are gonna bake it. So let's move this. I'm gonna bring my baking dish and all of it goes in. Yeah, everything should go in. I need a spoon. I'm just trying to tidy it up, but there's no need really. There you go. I'm scraping the pan just to take every bit of it out from it. And there you go. All goes in the baking dish. Every single bit of it. Before we put it in the oven, we are gonna spoil this a bit more with some grated Parmesan to get a really crusty top. Be generous this time and put as much as you like. At least I would say so. Yeah, that seems almost right. And now we are gonna bake it at 220°C oven for 15 minutes. So see you in 15 minutes time, which again for me goes like this. There you go. Can you hear this sound? Oh, amazing. We are gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes and then we will cut it. I'm gonna insist all my viewers to make this dish at least once, just the way I showed, and then try it. I'm sure you'll like it, you'll give it a space in your recipe book, and you'll have a very good recipe to serve to your guests. So you enjoy and bon appetit!